Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. And for this afternoon, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung different kinds of my fridge magnet collection. So, hindi mawawala dyan ang Philippines. Siyempre, kung saan tayo nagmula. So, ayan, fridge magnet from the Philippines. And it's a jeepney fridge magnet na kung saan makikita nyo yung Philippine flag and Jose Rizal, or national hero monument, Dr. Jose Rizal. So, yan, fridge magnet. Pero meron pa akong isa na fridge magnet na naibigay ko dun sa friend ko na nagko-collect din ng fridge magnet. Tapos may isa pa ako na fridge magnet, kaso natanggal yung pandikit sa likod, so hindi ko na naibalik. So, yan. Ang aking pinanggalingan, ang ating mahal na bayan, fridge magnet from the Philippines. Although hindi ko na puntahan ng iba-ibang lugar sa Pilipinas, pero hindi natin makakalimutan kung saan tayo nagmula. So, yung next na papakita ko is London fridge magnet. So, makikita mo dyan yung Queen's Guard, which is on the left. Tapos, London Eye, Westminster, and Big Ben. And London Bridge. So, after that, meron pa akong isa na London fridge magnet, which is ibang style, round shape siya na makikita mo same as the Queen's Guard also, katulad ng isang fridge magnet. Tapos makikita mo yung London Bridge, St. Mary's building, Big Ben, and ayan, London Eye, tapos yung double-decker bus, red double-decker bus. Nice, magandang experience makasakay dyan kung hindi kayo mahihiluhin, pero medyo parang ma-feel mo dizziness. Pero kung sanay na kayo, okay din lang. So, magandang experience na makasakay dyan. Tapos, next is Stonehenge. Stonehenge, ito bigay ng friend ko sa akin. Hindi pa ako nakakapunta dyan. At pag nakapunta ako, for sure may vlog ako niyan. So, in the future, makakapunta din ako dyan. Next is Edinburgh. It's in Scotland. So, nung pumunta kami dito, pumunta kami sa different places in Scotland. So, yung mga places na napuntahan namin dito sa Scotland ay ang Perth, Kenrose, Cooper 5, Stirling, and Falkirk. So, nakapunta kami sa Falkirk. Binisita namin yung Kelps. Yung Kelps is just like contemporary sculptural monument of horses which related to the laws and industries of the Falkirk area. So, yan. Maraming magagandang lugar sa Scotland. Tapos, ito yung isa sa mga instrument ng Scotland. So, pwedeng i-press mo yan. Maririnig mo yung music. So, that's fridge magnet from Edinburgh. Very pretty. So, meron pa akong isang fridge magnet from Scotland also. Ayan siya. Different style. Tapos, ito yung fridge magnet from Beaumaris Castle. So, ito yung castle which is near to the seaside in Wales. Tapos, yung next is in Llandudno. So, dito sa Llandudno, napakaganda ng view niya, yung hotel accommodation near the seaside, at maganda yung view, maraming restaurants, fish and chips, amusement park, arcade, different activities for the children, para sa mga different age also. So ayan, sa Landudno. Next is in Dover. So nung pumunta kami dito sa Dover, nakita namin yung White Cliffs of Dover, at nagkaroon ng chance and experience na pumunta kami near the edge of the White Cliffs of Dover. Although nakakatakot, pero maraming dumadaan, nagwa-walk ng dog near that area. Pero kung medyo scary, hindi ko na-experience, at yung mag-aama ko lang naka-experience nun. Pero maganda experience, maganda yung seaside din siya. Ito yung Dover, ito din yung way para makapunta ka sa France o sa Paris o sa different places in Europe. So ayan, meron din siyang castle, pero yung nakita namin castle sa labas lang, hindi kami pumasok. So yan, White Cliffs of Dover and Dover Castle. So yan. Ito naman yung next is Barcelona. Bigay ng aking kumari, ng aking friend. It's in Barcelona, Spain, nung pumunta sila. Tapos, next is from Australia. So, bigay din ng friend ko, si Sha. So, papasalamat ako, binigyan niya ako nito. Then, next is M&M shop. Different kinds of M&M chocolates, mga stuffed toys, ornaments, at saka maganda magpa-picture dito inside the shop kasi makulay, maraming mga choices na pagpipilian na bibilhin mo. Diba, M&M is all-time favorite, lahat paborito ata yan ng bawat tao. Tapos yung next is in St. Winfred's Holywell in Flintshire. So may kaunting history ito, at ang sabi dito sa aking papel, it's sa research ko, it claims to be oldest visited pilgrimage site in Britain. Tapos meron siyang water, holy water, parang healing water, at naniniwala silang it causes miraculous cure. So maganda yung experience makapunta dyan. May bayad parang £1 for you to enter the place. Tapos pwede ka nang kumuha ng water nila, pwede pating maligo, pwedeng umattend ng church, merong souvenir shops at coffee shop. Tapos yung next is the ice cream farm. Etong ice cream farm, kung sa Pilipinas, meron tayong rice field, rice farm, coconut farm, dito ice cream farm. Kasi yung milk na from their cows, ginagawa nilang ice cream na different flavors. So, pwede kang pumunta dyan, bumili, different choices ng mga ice cream, marami sila. At meron din silang mga rides, at iba-ibang activities for different age, different iba-ibang, para sa iba-ibang edad. So, ma-enjoy ng mga bata, especially yung mga liliit na bata. At saka yung mga matatanda na rin kasi ice cream. At ang ice cream is all-time favorite natin yan. So, ito naman, Beeston Castle. Nakapunta na, usually nung una nakapunta, mga anak ko. Tapos eventually kami namang mga buong pamilya. So, it's a nice place also. Makita mo yung history ng castle, kung ano. And mayroon silang coffee shop, souvenir shop. Tapos, makakapag-uli ka sa iba-ibang parts ng castle. So, mayroon pa ba ako nalimutan? So, all of them are my fridge magnet. So, I hope you enjoyed it. Tapos, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye till next time.